Okay, so as you can see, I've got this put back together. I'm going to recommend, if you are going to try this, document as you're taking things apart, because trust me, it comes apart much easier than it goes back together again. But anyway, we've got that all taken, or excuse me, assembled again, and let's see how this goes. We'll go to the front, and I've just got it on regular old coffee here, and I'm going to give it just a little shot here. Da da da, the moment of truth. And we have coffee. It's a great day. The peasants are rejoicing. So, if this video was helpful to you, and I'm going to turn this off now. If this video was helpful to you, hey, shouts out to the coffee boss down in North Carolina who was just amazing in helping me get this machine back up and running. And yeah, I'll be fully caffeinated from here on out. Have a great day. Thanks.